In a fascinating juxtaposition of automotive history and naval power, the iconic Aston Martin Bulldog made a stunning appearance on the flight deck of the HMS Prince of Wales, RO9, a state-of-the-art British aircraft carrier. Celebrating its 80th anniversary, the Bulldog, designed by the late Bill Towns in the 1970s, was initially conceived as a one-off and later underwent a major restoration led by collector Philip Serfim. Restoration efforts, guided by Richard Gauntlet, son of former Aston Martin chairman Victor Gauntlet, took place at Shropshire-based classic car expert CMC over 2 years. The Bulldog's tubular steel space frame was reinforced to enhance torsional rigidity, and its original 5.3-liter V8 engine was rebuilt, bored, and stroked to 5.7 liters, now equipped with Garrett turbochargers running 0.9 bar of boost. The engine boasts around 650 bhp, with the potential for an additional 200. The restoration culminated in a high-speed run, aiming to reach the Bulldog's 200 miles per hour top speed. Aston Martin endurance racing legend Darren Turner took on the task of piloting the Bulldog for the high-speed run. This unique event added a touch of automotive history to the HMS Prince of Wales, the Royal Navy's first fifth-generation aircraft carrier, showcasing the Bulldog's presence on the 920-foot-long flight deck, against the backdrop of modern naval technology. The HMS Prince of Wales, a massive ocean-going carrier with cutting-edge capabilities, served as a fitting stage for this automotive icon's return.